Blockchain network Avalanche, Avax, has seen its fortunes tumble in 2022. In the wake of losing more than 80% of its worth in 2022, Avalanche's local token Avax has tumbled off the rundown of the main 10 most significant digital forms of money by market capitalization. The Avax token saw a sharp often made because of Avalanche's nearby relationship with fallen its friend Manyland Luna Foundation Guard had constructed an Avax save worth $200 million. With the residue from Terra's breakdown at long last settling, Avalanche is hoping to climb at the crypto bear market of 2022 until the full-scale conditions give indications of facilitating. In this video, we will discuss Avalanche and why it professes to be the world's quickest blockchain network. You will likewise run over significant updates, cost investigation and Avax cost expectation for 2022 and then some. In the blockchain world, adaptability and speed are among the super-specialized obstacles for decentralized finance, DeFi, activities to go standard. Savvy contract stages like Avalanche and Solana, SOL, have been chipping away piece of the pie from market pioneer Ethereum, ETH, by offering clients lower gas expenses and quicker exchanges. Torrential Slide professes to be the quickest shrewd agreement stage in the blockchain business, as estimated by time to conclusiveness. As per Avalanche, time to conclusiveness is the time a client needs to hold back to get affirmation that an exchange made on the blockchain won't be changed or dropped. We should find out about Avalanche's center highlights and how it contrasts from other brilliant agreement stages. Snow Convention. Torrential Slide means to accomplish low dormancy, high exchange throughput and versatility by means of its local Snow Convention, which joins the properties of Old-Style Agreement Convention and Nakamoto Agreement. As indicated by Avalanche's white paper, Old-Style Agreement Convention offers low idleness and high throughput yet dislikes versatility because of its dependence on all-to-all correspondence to arrive at agreement. The white paper added that the Nakamoto Agreement utilized by confirmation of work organizations, for example, Bitcoin experiences high latencies, low throughput and steady energy necessities. Under the Avalanche Snow Convention, every hub surveys a little, steady measured, haphazardly picked set of adjoining hubs to accomplish agreement, rather than the all-to-all correspondence found in traditional agreement conventions. To pick among the clashing exchanges and forestall the twofold spend, each hub haphazardly chooses a little subset of hubs and inquiries which of the clashing exchanges the questioned hubs believe is the legitimate one. On the off chance that the questioning hub gets a super greater part reaction for one exchange, then, at that point, the hub changes its own reaction to that exchange. Each hub in the organization rehashes this strategy until the whole organization comes to agreement on one of the clashing exchanges. Made sense of Avalanche. Subnets. The utilization of subnetworks, or subnets, on Avalanche assists with diminishing organization traffic and work with customizability on its organization. As per Avalanche, a subnet is a unique arrangement of validators cooperating to accomplish agreement on the condition of a bunch of blockchains. Validators, additionally alluded to as stakers on verification of stake, POS, organizations like Avalanche, can be individuals from various subnets. Each blockchain based on Avalanche is approved by one subnet, and each subnet can approve numerous blockchains. Torrential Slide added that its subnet model diminishes network traffic by permitting validators to pick which subnet to participate to approve a blockchain. Subnets can likewise be intended to be private subnets by choosing which validators can enter them. Torrential Slide network has a default subnet which is approved by all validators. The default subnet, otherwise called the essential organization, approves a bunch of three predefined blockchains on Avalanche: exchange chain, X chain, platform chain, P chain, and contract chain, C chain. X chain, P chain and C chain. X chain is a blockchain on Avalanche that is utilized for making and exchanging computerized savvy resources. P chain is a blockchain on Avalanche that empowers the making of new subnets, facilitates validators and monitors dynamic subnets. C chain is a blockchain on Avalanche that is utilized to make brilliant agreements. The C chain is an occurrence of the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, as indicated by Avalanche. Avax is the local coin on the Avalanche stage. It's utilized for marking, on-chain administration and exchange charges on the organization. Avax is likewise expected to make or join a subnet. Torrential slide requires a validator to stake at least 2,000 Avax. Delegators who need to take part in marking can decide to stake with a current validator by committing at least 25 Avax. As indicated by its white paper, the Avax token has a covered stockpile of 720 million coins. All handling charges on Avalanche are scorched to expand the shortage of Avax. Torrential Slide has expressed that while Avax is covered, the rate at which the coin arrives at its most extreme limit is dependent upon administration. Up until the crypto market slump of May 2022, for which the breakdown of the Terra environment was a significant impetus, Avax had solidly secured itself as a main 10 digital currencies regarding market capitalization. Notwithstanding, subsequent to losing around 84% in 2022, Avax has tumbled to take the 16th spot in the rundown of most significant digital forms of money, starting around August 29, 2022. Most of the misfortunes have come in the long stretches of April and May, as fixing money-related conditions and the breakdown of the Terra environment made Avax post month-to-month misfortunes of more than 41% in April and more than 53% in May. Avax couldn't stem its downfall as the Level 1 token posted its third back-to-back month-to-month misfortune in June. All the more as of late, Avax has posted a deficiency of around 25% in the beyond 30 days to turn into the greatest failure this year among the main 20 biggest digital currencies, starting around August 29, 2022. At the exchanging cost of $20.38 starting around August 30, 2022, Avax is quite far underneath its unsurpassed high of $146.22 hit on November 21, 2021. CoinMarketCap information showed. The Avalanche biological system has likewise seen a monstrous drop in all out is team locked. TVL, information from DeFi Llama showed. TVL on Avalanche plunged from its pinnacle of more than $12 billion in December 2021 to about $1.91 billion, starting around 30th of August. News, Avalanche refreshes. Torrential Slide has continuous organizations with global enterprises like Deloitte and MasterCard. In November 2021, Deloitte marked an arrangement with Avax to foster another calamity recuperation stage that utilizes the Avalanche blockchain to assist legislatures with getting government crisis financing. Later in December 2021, Avax was chosen by MasterCard to join its MasterCard StartPath Crypto, a plan devoted to investigate new blockchain innovation improvement open doors. In March 2000